Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back to another episode of This Silly Girl's Kitchen. On this week's episode, we're making apple cider rum punch. It is so good, perfect for this time of the year, but you could really drink this year round if you love that warm spice of like cinnamon. It's really comforting and refreshing because it's cold. There's just 3 simple ingredients: rum, I love to use spiced rum, orange juice, and apple cider. And then just to garnish it with sliced Honeycrisp apples, or really any apple you like, oranges, and cinnamon sticks. That's it. So let's get started. So like most cocktail recipes, this is really super simple. All you need to do is get some type of pitcher, or I like to use this kind with a spout, so it makes, when I'm entertaining, makes it a whole lot easier. People can just serve themselves. I mean, they can still serve themselves in a pitcher, but I think this is just super cute and festive and stuff. So all you have to do is mix all the ingredients in your pitcher, and that's it. So all you need is 1 cup of rum, next 1 cup of orange juice. Now what makes this apple cider rum punch, apple cider, of course, I like to use Honeycrisp apple cider, but you can use any apple cider. A half gallon. So that's it, that's all of our liquids. Now I like to add 1 sliced Honeycrisp apple and 1 sliced orange. Right now I'm going to insert a clip of how I slice my oranges and apples. So the easiest way to slice up the fruit is with a mandolin, or you can just do it with a knife, get it as thin as you can, but I like using a mandolin because it's one, faster, and it is more uniform slices. But please note, I do not have the grip that normally comes with these, and just so be really careful. Make sure you do use a grip if you have it. If not, please just use a knife. Throw in a couple cinnamon sticks, and I highly suggest using a spiced rum because it's going to mimic the flavors of the cinnamon, and it's just going to be more luxurious and seasonal and, you know, extra fancy, if you will. You know I love my fanciness. That's literally it. The best apple cider rum punch you've ever tasted. Alright guys, that's it. It literally went together in about 5 minutes. I hate that this week's recipe was so short, but I mean, it was so easy and you guys really love this recipe. I've seen an influx of people on the recipe on my website, thesillygirlskitchen.com. Remember, go down below. I have a link. You can go straight to my recipe on my website, thesillygirlskitchen.com. And now I got a taste. Oh my god, it is so good. I love the warmth from that spiced rum and the cinnamon, and then the orange juice that gives like a nice poppy, bright flavor to it. You guys have to try this season. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next week.